Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English podcast on Daily Conversation. I'm Dana Ryan, and today we're trading our microphones for aprons.
And I'm Caleb Ryan. I'm the kind of cook who usually considers cereal a gourmet meal, but today I'm trying something new.
That's the spirit, Caleb. Today is topic number 7, cooking. We'll learn how to follow instructions in a recipe, identify common kitchen tools, and describe different flavors like a professional chef.
I just hope I don't set off the smoke alarm. Let's get to the kitchen. Okay, the first step says to dice the onions and mince the garlic. Isn't that the same thing?
Not quite. Dicing means cutting them into small cubes, but mincing means chopping them as finely as possible. It's all about the texture.
Got it. Then it says to sauté them in a pan with some olive oil until they are translucent.
Translucent just means they look a bit clear or see-through. Don't let them brown yet. You want to cook them over medium heat so they get soft and sweet.
Dana, what on earth is this? Is it a giant comb?
That's a whisk. You use it to beat eggs or mix flour. And that flat thing next to it is a spatula, perfect for flipping pancakes or scraping the sides of a bowl.
It asks for a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of dried oregano. I can never remember the difference between a teaspoon, and a tablespoon.
Just remember, the tablespoon is the big one you'd use at the dinner table. The teaspoon is the small one. Using too much salt can ruin the whole flavor profile.
It's definitely savory, but I think it's a bit bland. It needs something to make it pop.
Try adding a squeeze of lemon juice. A little acidity can brighten up the dish. Or, if you want some heat, we can add a dash of crushed red pepper to make it zesty.
Wow, that lemon really balanced out the richness of the cream. Now it tastes gourmet.
See? Cooking is all about balancing salt, fat, acid, and heat. Now, let's simmer the sauce for 10 minutes so the flavors can marry together.
It looks amazing. I'm going to garnish it with some fresh parsley, just like they do on TV.
Great job, Caleb Ryan. But don't forget the cook's rule. You have to help with the washing up since I did the prep work.
I knew there was a catch. But honestly, after making something this delicious, I don't even mind the dishes.
Let's eat before it gets cold. I have to say, Caleb, that pasta was actually fantastic. You might be a chef in the making.
I'm officially retiring from my cereal-only diet. Thanks for joining us today on the English podcast on Daily Conversation.
We'll be back with another episode very soon. Next time, we're heading outdoors for topic number 8, the park, outdoor activities, picnic etiquette, and meeting new people.
I'll bring the frisbee, but don't go anywhere. Until then, stay tuned, keep talking, and remember, your next great conversation is just one sentence away.
See you in the next podcast. Bye for now.
Catch you later.